This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulb replacement. Operate the bonnet release lever, which is located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet security catch by lifting it upwards, then raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop. Locate the prop to hold the bonnet securely in its open position. Working in the engine compartment, release the spring clip and remove the access cover. Reach into the headlight and disconnect the wiring plug. Release the spring clip and remove the bulb. Alternatively, release the spring retaining clip first before removing the bulb and then disconnecting the wiring plug. Fit the bulb into position, ensuring the location lugs are aligned, and secure it using the spring clip. Fit the wiring plug to the new bulb, then refit the headlight cover, securing it with the clips. Remove the cover from the rear of the headlight. Hold the bulb in position and disconnect the wiring plug. Release the spring retaining clip and withdraw the bulb. Install the new bulb, ensuring that it is located correctly in the headlight unit. Refit the spring clip and the wiring plug. Refit the headlight cover, making sure it is secure. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet. Clip the prop into its stay. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.